Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. On today's news, on yesterday's news actually, we have eToro launches a crypto portfolio weighted by Twitter mentions. The notorious abyss of crypto Twitter, where the XRP army patrols, altcoin flourish and falter, and Vitalik promise you infinity Ethereum, got a new plaything today, an eToro crypto portfolio calibrated to the tenor of its tweets. The new financial institute instrument is called the TIE long only copy portfolio, and as of Tuesday morning it was live on eToro's trading platform with a minimum of $2,000 buy-in. It's a partnership between eToro exchange and the TEE data analysis firm, who sources their tweets about 850 million tweets daily from social markets analytics. With an AI system rolling through that massive trove and multiple benchmarks to compare it against, the network calibrates an optimal crypto portfolio based on the sentiments of those tweets, Joshua Frank, CEO of the TEE, told CoinDesk. At launch, the portfolio included 5 different crypto assets: 42.24% stake in Dash, 23.92% in EOS, 21.86% for XRP, Ripple, 5.01% for MIOTA, and 1.97% for Ethereum Classic, ETC. It rebalances every month. Frank's theory: there is no better intel source for crypto market movements than Twitter, kind of the epicenter of the crypto universe. There is nothing fundamentally driving the value of the crypto. There is no earnings, there is no dividends, there is no revenue. With any of the normal metrics driving stock market values in crypto, investor sentiment takes a leading role in determining the value of different crypto assets, he argues. Crypto trades almost entirely on public outlook, and public outlook is forged on Twitter. Like a great swirling ball of pump and dump news blast, the 50,000 odd daily crypto tweets that the TIE algorithm sweeps up from Twitter's daunting 850 million daily output drive the market's investor sentiment and ultimately the price of different crypto assets. Very interesting theory. I wonder if they will share their data, if their data will be open source for everyone to have a look at. And I wonder now what's gonna happen with the crypto bots. Like, assuming I pay for a crypto bot and I start bombarding tweets for a specific coin. Does this mean that it's easier for me to pump my coin through the TIE platform and the eToro essentially? It's a very good question, and I'm really curious to see how they have solved this problem. So how it works: the TIE long-only portfolio algorithms chosen between 3 different coins: BTC, Ethereum, XRP, IOTA, Bitcoin Cash, NEO, Ethereum Classic, Dash, EOS, XLM, LTC, ZEC, and ADA, Cardano. eToro and the TIE have not yet discussed adding more, but expect to in the coming years. Part of the challenge of using Twitter as a dataset is filtering the real content from fake. So that's the interesting part. Frank said that so much of crypto Twitter activity is fraudulent, either because of bot accounts or designed shields, that it can be daunting to go through it all. We are actually eliminating about 90% of tweets because we think they're coming from bots or people trying to manipulate the market. Right, so they do have thought about it, and apparently they have a solution as well. Long only is long game. The resulting composite is predictably as much an emotional hodl coaster as any individual coin has ever been. In January 2019, the portfolio would have lost 70% before rebounding 410% come February. Review the TIE, the TIE. I will simply go and call it the TIE. I don't know if it's right. The TIE long only retroactive projections show. Stuart Koliani, a machine learning graduate student at Georgia Tech who studied the relationship between Tether sentiment and crypto valuations at Stanford Information Management Program, told CoinDesk massive swings could be a turn-off to investors. While the concept is really good and probably fertile ground for pursuing new investment strategies, people just have to worry of the amount of risk that are potentially exposed to. I would say a huge amount of risk, like literally a huge amount of risk. You never know what's happening there. You never know how influential can somebody be, like perhaps John McAfee or someone else. Pumping coins, that's a very shady game. I would stay away from it. Generally speaking, I would never recommend. It's a very nice idea. It's a very, very nice idea, and we all know that data is power. But generally speaking, I would keep my eyes on the price. And for the matter of record, that would be Bitcoin. XRP price exits downtrend to hit 3-week high. XRP has been on the offensive, having ended the 3.5 month-long downtrend with a move to 3-week highs. The world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization clocked a high of 0.29 on Tuesday, the highest level since September 21, according to CoinDesk's price. As of writing, XRP has pulled back slightly and is changing hands at $0.28, representing a 3.8% drop on the day after reaching its local peak. Notably, prices are up more than 25% from the low of 0.23, registered on September 26th. Further, XRP is the third best performing top 10 cryptocurrency over the last 7 days with a 2.2% gain. Binance Coin up 16% of the top gainer, while Litecoin has dropped 4.2% and is the worst performing top 10 in the last 7 days at least. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, is currently reporting a meager 0.06% gain on a 7-day basis. Also, Bitcoin has been up just 4.5% from the recent lows near $7,750. XRP's price may continue to outperform Bitcoin in the near future as the cryptocurrency has found acceptance above the widely tracked 100-day moving average for the first time since July 10th. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's 100-day MA is currently located at least $1,500 above its price of $8,175. Alright, so that's good news for XRP. I do believe that it's going to pump anytime soon. I usually check the prices through Poloniex, though I'm sure that there are way better platforms. It's just I'm used to this one, so for convenience only. So I do like Ripple, and I agree with everyone that it's not a cryptocurrency. It's extremely centralized, and they are going to face some issues about that. And I think this is the main reason that they are renaming all their services. They are doing a couple of things under the hood that we are not yet aware. And once they start announcing them, most probably the price will pump. To move on other news, we have the finance in Korea is headed to the blockchain according to a CoinDesk Korea story. The transition could be completed by 2021, while foreign exchange transactions are said to be conducted using technology within months. In terms of trade finance, relevant documents will be shared on the blockchain so they can be accessed by financial institutions, while export bonds will be made available in the same way so that banks can check for duplicate issuings. These efforts are key elements in the country's development plan for digital trade, which was introduced by Finance Minister Hong Nam-ki on October 14th. Under the plan, blockchain along with 5G and AI will be utilized to transform the trade environment and strengthen exports. We will build a digital trading platform that can be easily and conventionally used in all stages of exports, such as contracts, customs, and logistics, Hong said. A digital trade blockchain council will be assembled with membership including banks, banking associations, trade associations, and the Korea Trade Network, which specializes in the automation of trade processes. The document also mentions that one of the goals of the initiative is to promote blockchain-based foreign exchange transactions. It sets a target of bringing together 7 banks by December 2019 to establish the service. Great news. Apparently, it's super expected. Everyone now is heading over blockchain. Blockchain is a moneymaker like it was internet 20 years ago. Only the name of a website, domain, internet, those were hot names and they would worth a lot. And the same happens with blockchain. The technology is amazing and it will be stupid if people would not get associated with it or they don't touch it, especially big banks and big corporations. To move on, we have Binance Futures on all-time high, a record of 700 million trade volume in 24 hours. That's for the futures. So the leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance recently launched BTC USDT futures, recorded a volume 700 million on the 15th of October. Binance Futures further recorded its first 24-hour 100 BTC day on the 15th. On the 11th of October, Binance Futures recorded a new high trading volume, 16,000 Bitcoin in an hour. Wow, that's a big amount for just an hour. Then the volume recorded was the 4th highest in the crypto futures industry. The lowest taker fees and the best matching engine, 0 outages, 0 ADLs, experienced the high Binance Futures. I don't know who is that guy, AG_Binance, but I presume something to do with Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance and founder. Interestingly, in a span of 5 days, Binance Futures managed to climb up the 3rd highest position. A tweet by AG Binance mentioned by how Binance Futures are on a bull run and soon will reach the 2nd highest volume and the 1st position at the end of 2019. Launched on 2nd of September, Binance Futures have performed exceptionally well. Recently, the 24-hour trading volume of Binance Futures market has been seen to have crossed 30,500 Bitcoin. Denominated in USDT, the equivalent of this would come to over 250 million. Further, the figures were also said to have exceeded those of Binance Spot Trading, which recorded relatively lower 24-hour trading volume of 219 million in USDT. While Binance Futures climb at a fast pace, leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchange BitMEX only traded futures worth of 948 million, recording the lowest in months. First, BNB ATP launched. In another development, Binance and Immune AG, global leader in the issuance of cryptocurrency exchange trading products, have partnered together to launch a BNB ETP on the regulated segment of the SIX Swiss exchange. The product is designed to make the top 10 cryptos assemble to audiences. Interestingly, this is the world's first crypto-based product that can be purchased using a brokerage or a bank. The product has been issued on the Immune Onyx platform. As a matter of fact, the new BNB ETP took about a month's work to be created. Per the announcement, each new product will track 1.098 BNB and will trade at a starting price of approximately $20, depending, of course, on market conditions. I have to say that Binance moves extremely fast. It's getting unpredicted, and I hope the best for it. It's really great to hear that they are making such partnerships, such as SIX, the Swiss exchange. So let's see what's gonna happen with it and what's next to come. And that was all, friends, for today. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, I can see, has a change of almost 8% per day. Wow, I can see here a small pump. Good news, everybody. So thank you for being here on this video on today's date, and hope to hear you soon. Bye.